double time.
All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Burly Bartender. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go.
All right, so we're making Mimosa bottomless. We got the Cook's Brut champagne. Champagne got the cork. You gotta unscrew this little tab. Little fancy stuff. And then the cork, you're gonna pop it. It's gonna make that pop, pop, pop. You gotta be careful because it might fizz up on me. And of course, we got simply orange juice. All right, ready? So because it's bubbly, you always want to let it settle. There's a little bit more. Now we're gonna do double time. You don't want to waste any alcohol. And orange.
So usually, how do you pay for the brunch and everything?
I'll bring it over here. So 3 bottles, 1 juice is usually a good. Then I can already see that's too much juice, so we're gonna add more champagne. You don't want it to be too sweet. Okay, so we're gonna add that 1 extra bottle. Now it's time to fill the ice. I'm gonna make sure it's filled to the top so it stays cold. Then you gotta fit it in right. And it has these little grooves. Right, so it has to be in. And then you turn so it locks into place. Yep, lock it into place. Then you put the lid on. And it's going on a stand. Happy brunch.